Share CCNP Enterprise 300 to 440 ENCC Exam Questions for best preparation. 1. A company with multiple branch offices wants a connectivity model to meet its network architecture requirements. The company focuses on ensuring low latency and efficient routing for its critical business applications. Which connectivity model meets these requirements? A. Hub and spoke topology with SD-WAN technology, using dynamic routing and OSPF as the routing protocol. B. Fully meshed topology with SD-WAN technology, using dynamic routing and BGP as the routing protocol. C. Point-to-point topology using dedicated leased lines and static routing. D-star topology with internet-based VPN connections and static routing. Answer: B. 2. Which Microsoft Azure service enables a dedicated and secure connection between an on-premises infrastructure and Azure data centers through a colocation provider? A. Azure Private Link. B. Azure ExpressRoute. C. Azure Virtual Network. D. Azure Site-to-Site VPN. Answer: B. 3. An engineer must enable the OMP advertisement of BGP routes for a specific VRF instance on a Cisco IOS ZSD-WAN device. What should be configured after the global address family IPv4 is configured? A. Set the VRF-specific route advertisements. B. Enable BGP advertisement. C. Enter SDWAN mode. D. Disable BGP advertisement. Answer: B. 4. An engineer is implementing a highly secure multi-DA application in AWS that includes S3, RDS, and some additional private links. What is critical to keep the traffic safe? A. VPC peering and bucket policies. B. Specific routing and bucket policies. C. EC2 super policies and specific routing policies. D. Gateway load balancers and specific routing policies. Answer: B. 5. What is the role of service providers to establish private connectivity between on-premises networks and Google Cloud resources? A. Facilitate direct, dedicated network connections through Google Cloud Interconnect. B. Enable intelligent routing and dynamic path selection using software-defined networking. C. Provide end-to-end encryption for data transmission using native IPsec. D. Accelerate content delivery through integration with Google Cloud CDN. Answer: A. 6. An engineer must configure an IPsec tunnel to the Cloud VPN gateway. Which two actions send traffic into the tunnel? Choose 2. A. Configure access lists that match the interesting user traffic. B. Configure a static route. C. Configure a local policy in Cisco vManage. D. Configure an IPsec profile and match the remote peer IP address. E. Configure policy-based routing. Answer: A. 7. Which architecture model establishes internet-based connectivity between on-premises networks and AWS cloud resources? A. That establishes an ENCC VPN tunnel with Internet Key Exchange (IKE) for secure key negotiation and encrypted data transmission. B. That relies on AWS Elastic Load Balancing (ELB) for traffic distribution and uses SSL/TLS encryption for secure data transmission. C. That employs AWS Direct Connect for a dedicated network connection and uses private IP addresses for secure communication. D. That uses Amazon CloudFront for caching and distributing content globally and uses HTTPS for secure data transfer. Answer: A. 8. A cloud engineer is setting up a new set of nodes in the AWS EKS cluster to manage database integration with Mongo Atlas. The engineer set up security to Mongo but now wants to ensure that the nodes are also secure on the network side. Which feature in AWS should the engineer use? A. EC2 Trust Lock. B. Security groups. C. Tagging. D. Key pairs. Answer: B. 9. Which feature is unique to Cisco SD-WAN IPsec tunnels compared to native IPsec VPN tunnels? A. Real-time dynamic path selection. B. Tunneling protocols. C. End-to-end encryption. D. Authentication mechanisms. Answer: A. 10. Which approach does a centralized Internet gateway use to provide connectivity to SaaS applications? A. A cloud-based proxy server routes traffic from the on-premises infrastructure to the SaaS provider data center. B. Internet traffic from the on-premises infrastructure is routed through a centralized gateway that provides access controls for SaaS applications. CVPN connections are used to provide secure access to SaaS applications from the on-premises infrastructure. D. A dedicated, private connection is established between the on-premises infrastructure and the SaaS provider data center using colocation services. Answer: B.